Want to get closer to the real-life adventures and drama of American people, places, and moments than you ever thought possible? What if someone told you there's a place where people from all over the world come for unforgettable experiences that spark new ideas for tomorrow? A place to gain perspective, get inspired, and make your own history. What if someone told you there's a place that's as vast, diverse, and powerful as America, yet it's as familiar and accessible as your own neighborhood? What if this place, the greatest gathering of everyday genius ever assembled, created by one of the greatest visionaries the world has ever known, could awaken the dreamer, maker, and doer in you? What if you could enter a world of amazing inventions and daring visionaries and sit in the very seat where Rosa Parks defied segregation? What if you could capture the power of that moment and take it with you just down the hall to experience some of the most powerful stories in American history? What if you could spend some time in a place where yesterday feels like right now? Where the world's first R&D lab, in which Thomas Edison gave the world light, is right around the corner from the workshop where the Wright brothers gave us wings. What if you could walk down the street to discover that a place where Abraham Lincoln practiced law is just a block away from the home where Noah Webster wrote the first American dictionary? And what if you could catch a ride in the car that changed the world in which we live in? Even visit the home of a farm kid who grew up to put the world on wheels? What if you could put yourself at the center of sheer manufacturing might and encounter the technology of tomorrow, today? And what if you could take in a film in a giant screen digital theater? Yeah, it's almost impossible to imagine that all of this is in one place. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, or how you get here. You've simply got to get here. Connect to what moves you and take it forward at the Henry Ford